Welcome. It's wonderful to have you here today, whether you've been with us for a while or are just joining in. Today, we're diving into something exciting, healthy and delicious lunchbox ideas that are perfect for work, school, or whenever you need a quick meal on the go. These recipes are simple, packed with nutrients, and designed to keep you energized, focused, and feeling your best, no matter how busy life gets. Let's get started. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with more tips and ideas. Why balanced lunches matter. Before we jump into the recipes, it's important to understand why eating a balanced lunch is so crucial for our health. A balanced lunch doesn't just keep us full, it also fuels our bodies and brains, helping us to stay sharp, productive, and energized throughout the day. A well-balanced lunch typically includes four essential components: protein, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and fruits and vegetables. Each of these components plays an important role in maintaining energy, supporting muscle recovery, and keeping you satisfied. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth. It helps to keep you feeling full longer, which is important for avoiding midday energy crashes. In addition, protein is a key building block for your body and is crucial for many functions, from enzyme production to immune system support. Healthy fats are also critical for your overall health. They support brain function, enhance nutrient absorption, and keep you feeling full longer. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are especially important for maintaining cognitive function, especially if you need to stay focused throughout the day. Finally, fruits and vegetables are packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients are essential for digestive health, immune function, and overall well-being. They also help add variety, color, and texture to your meal, making it not only healthy but also enjoyable to eat. By combining these four components into your lunch, you ensure that you are not only getting the right nutrition, but also setting yourself up for sustained energy and focus, which is key when juggling a busy schedule. Now that we understand the importance of balanced meals, let's look at some delicious lunchbox ideas that incorporate all these elements. Recipe 1. Mediterranean Wrap. Let's start with a Mediterranean-inspired wrap that is not only packed with flavor, but is also super simple to prepare. This wrap is a great example of a meal that includes all the essential components of a balanced lunch: protein, healthy fats, complex carbs, and vegetables. To make this wrap, you'll need a whole grain tortilla as the base. Whole grains are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, providing the energy needed to keep you going through the afternoon. Spread 3 tablespoons of hummus evenly over the tortilla. Hummus is made from chickpeas, which are high in protein and fiber, making them a perfect addition to this wrap. The hummus also serves as a delicious, creamy spread to hold everything together. Next, layer on some sliced cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and thinly sliced red onion. These vegetables will add crunch, flavor, and a range of nutrients. Cucumber is high in water, which helps keep you hydrated, while tomatoes provide antioxidants and vitamins like vitamin C. Red onion adds a bit of sharpness and depth to the flavor. Add a handful of fresh spinach for extra fiber, iron, and a dose of vitamins and minerals. Spinach is a versatile leafy green that is packed with nutrients, including vitamin K, which is important for bone health. For the protein in this wrap, you can choose either grilled chicken or chickpeas. Grilled chicken provides lean protein, while chickpeas offer a plant-based protein option. Chickpeas are also high in fiber, making them great for digestion and helping you feel full longer. Once all the ingredients are layered on, roll up the tortilla tightly and slice it in half. This Mediterranean wrap is the perfect balance of flavors and textures, and it's easy to pack into your lunchbox for a quick and nutritious meal. Pair it with a small side of fruit, such as grapes or an apple, for an extra boost of vitamins and natural sugars. Recipe 2. Do-it-yourself bento box. Our next idea is a fun and customizable do-it-yourself bento box. The beauty of the bento box is that it allows you to pack a variety of different foods in one container, giving you a balanced meal with lots of variety. You can include a mix of protein, healthy fats, complex carbs, and vegetables, all in one neat and easy-to-carry box. Start with grilled turkey or tofu cubes as your protein. Turkey is a great source of lean protein, while tofu offers a plant-based protein option for vegetarians or those looking for a meatless choice. Both options are rich in protein and will keep you feeling full throughout the day. Next, add a serving of brown rice or quinoa to your box. Brown rice is a whole grain, which provides complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. Quinoa is also a great option, as it's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a great choice for vegetarians or anyone looking to switch things up. Fill the largest section of your bento box with sliced vegetables. You can include a variety of colorful veggies like carrots, bell peppers, and snap peas. These vegetables are not only delicious but also full of fiber and essential vitamins. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which supports eye health, while bell peppers are packed with vitamin C, which helps support your immune system. For a healthy fat source, add a small handful of unsalted almonds. Almonds are high in monounsaturated fats, which are good for your heart. They also provide fiber and protein, making them a satisfying snack that helps keep you full. This do-it-yourself bento box is fully customizable, meaning you can swap in your favorite protein or vegetables to suit your tastes. It's a fun, colorful, and nutrient-packed meal that will keep you satisfied throughout the day. Plus, it's a great option for meal prep, as you can prepare multiple bento boxes in advance for the week. Recipe 3. Quick pasta salad. If you're looking for a make-ahead lunch that's easy to prepare and even better the next day, this quick pasta salad is the perfect choice. It's a great option for meal prep, as it's simple to make and the flavors develop over time, making it an ideal lunch for a busy week. Start by cooking 1 cup of whole grain pasta. Whole grains provide complex carbs that will give you the energy you need to power through the afternoon. Once the pasta is cooked, rinse it under cold water to cool it down quickly. In a large bowl, add diced cherry tomatoes, diced cucumber, and crumbled feta cheese. Tomatoes and cucumbers are full of vitamins and minerals, and they add a fresh, crisp texture to the salad. Next, toss in some freshly chopped basil. Its bright, aromatic flavor elevates the dish and perfectly complements the other ingredients, adding a touch of freshness. For the dressing, keep it simple and delicious. Drizzle some olive oil and finish with a squeeze of lemon juice. This light and zesty combination ties all the flavors together beautifully. Toss all the ingredients together until everything is evenly coated. This pasta salad is perfect for making ahead, as the flavors will meld together over time. It's a light yet filling meal that provides complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, protein, and plenty of vitamins and minerals. Packing tips and final thoughts. Now that you got some delicious and balanced lunchbox ideas, here are a few tips to help you pack your meals efficiently and keep everything fresh throughout the day. First, consider using insulated lunch containers. These are especially important if you're packing perishable items like salads or wraps that need to stay cool. An insulated container helps maintain the proper temperature, ensuring your meal stays fresh until it's time to eat. If your meal includes perishable items like dairy, meat, or fresh produce, be sure to add a reusable ice pack to your lunchbox. This simple step helps maintain a safe temperature, reducing the risk of spoilage and keeping your food fresh for longer. Ice packs are especially important for outdoor activities or long days, ensuring your meals stay cool, delicious, and safe to eat. When it comes to healthy lunches, it's not just about what you eat, it's also about enjoying your meal. These lunchbox ideas are not only balanced and nutritious, but also packed with flavor, making them enjoyable to eat. You can easily customize them based on your preferences, dietary needs, or what you have on hand, making them versatile and perfect for any busy lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching. If you tried any of these recipes, we'd love to hear about your experience. Feel free to leave a comment below or tag us on social media to share your lunchbox creations. Don't forget to like this, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more healthy tips and delicious recipes. We can't wait to see you next time. Stay healthy, enjoy your meals, and keep living your best life.